One of the biggest mistakes that I made while working in big tech is trying to understand every single detail of how everything works. I think oftentimes when you're making that first jump from being a student to working your first full-time job as a software engineer, as a student, you are used to knowing every single granular detail about how something is built because the project and the code base is relatively small in scale. I know that when I started my very first job as a software engineer after college, I had the same mentality and I wanted to learn almost everything about how everything worked, but that is just not feasible in really big tech companies where the code base is so huge. Don't get me wrong, it's definitely important to know how the overall system works, especially with regards to the teams that you're going to be working very closely with, but it's definitely not worth it trying to figure out every single tiny implementation detail because it's literally impossible to do so.